Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to create a blockchain-based gaming platform using Java. In this series, we'll walk you through the entire process, from understanding blockchain technology to implementing your first game. Let's dive in. Before we jump into coding, let's take a moment to understand what a blockchain is. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions in a way that is secure, transparent, and immutable. In a blockchain-based gaming platform, players can own in-game assets as tokens, trade them on the marketplace, and these transactions are secured by a decentralized network. Now, let's outline what we'll be building. We're going to create a simple game that allows players to buy, sell, and trade digital cards. Each card will be represented as a token on our blockchain. First, ensure that you have the necessary development tools. You'll need Java installed on your machine, along with Maven to manage project dependencies. If you haven't installed them yet, please do so before proceeding. Let's create a new Maven project for our blockchain gaming platform. Open your terminal and run the following commands. Now that we have our project structure set up, let's navigate into the newly created directory. Next, let's add some dependencies to our pom.xml file. We're going to use Web3j, a lightweight Java library that allows you to interact with Ethereum blockchains. Add the following to your dependencies section. It's time to create our blockchain connection and basic configurations. Let's create a class named blockchain service that will handle our blockchain interactions. Now, we need to create a smart contract for our digital cards. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Let's use Solidity to create a simple ERC20 contract for our cards. After writing our smart contract, compile it using Remix or Truffle. Deploy it to your local Ethereum test network and note down the contract address for later use. Let's modify our blockchain service class to include a method for interacting with our deployed smart contract. We'll also need a token balance checker. Next, let's implement basic functionality to allow players to purchase cards. To do this, we need a transaction method that sends Ether from one player to another when a card is purchased. We will also need wallets for our players. Let's create a wallet service class that handles wallet creation and management. In addition to this, we'll provide methods for importing existing wallets and initializing player sessions. With our smart contract and wallet service in place, let's create a simple user interface. For this, we'll be using JavaFX. Let's set up a basic JavaFX application. Run your JavaFX application. You should see a window pop up with the title Blockchain Gaming Platform. This is where we'll build the interface for interacting with our blockchain. Now let's create a user interface to view our digital cards and their balances. For this, we'll use a table view to display card information and player balances. Next up, let's add functionality to purchase cards. We will need a button that, when clicked, invokes the purchase card method from our blockchain service. We can now combine the card display and purchase functionality into a cohesive user experience. Let's tidy up the JavaFX layout and ensure everything is responsive. With our game interface ready, it's time to run the application. Make sure your Ethereum node is running and your contract is deployed. Start the app and begin interacting with the blockchain. Congratulations! You've successfully built a basic blockchain-based gaming platform where players can interact, purchase cards, and manage their wallets. But there is always room for improvement. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into enhancing our game with features like a marketplace for trading cards, user profiles, and additional security features. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a blockchain gaming platform. Make sure to leave your comments and questions below, and we'll help you out. See you next time.